Sebastian, what did you get for Christmas?
Wow! It's a present!
What is it?
Of countries!
Countries' flags, huh?
Country flags, huh?
That's pretty cool. What's that one?
Oh, it's... Oh, look! Look, it's Uganda.
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 Okay.
Look, it's kangaroo. Look, it's kangaroo. Oh, it's
Close. Cameroon. Yeah.
kangaroo. Oh, it's lovely. Look,
He's
it's
never done
Zappa.
these before, so. What's that one?
The ink. Yeah.
He just read Russian. Okay.
Look, it's Canada.
Cool.
Oh, it's Canada.
Sweet. Where's the United States?
Oh, that's like they're countries.
Where's the United States of America flag?
Like, oh no,
Is it on the top?
United States.
Yeah, you found it.
Like you found United States. Like that's a reminder.
What? Rwanda?
Rwanda.
Okay.
Oh, it's Ethiopia.
What? That's Ethiopia.
It's Ethiopia. Look, it's Congo. Look, it's Congo.
Good job. That does say Congo. Good job.